Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda HR-V battery. Begin by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then open the hood and locate the battery near the front passenger side. Gather tools like a 10 mm wrench and battery terminal cleaner, and set a soft pad to rest removed parts on. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive, and label any connectors to simplify reinstallation. Now we will remove the old battery safely and efficiently. After disconnecting terminals, unbolt the hold-down bracket and keep all fasteners together for reassembly. Carefully lift the battery straight up, keeping it level to avoid acid spills, and set it on a protected surface. Inspect the tray for corrosion and clean any buildup with a baking soda solution. Dispose of the old battery at a recycling center or auto store that accepts lead-acid batteries. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh after a DIY battery replacement. It pairs nicely with a clean interior and a successful repair. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. And thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we install the new battery and verify proper operation. Position the battery with terminals matching original orientation, secure the hold-down bracket, and reconnect the positive terminal followed by the negative terminal. Tighten clamps so they are snug but not warped, and apply terminal protectant to reduce corrosion. Start the engine to confirm a solid connection, reset clock and infotainment settings if needed, and double-check for any warning lights or loose hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.